Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh episode of Crypto Milad. Today is 27 November, and we're gonna take a fresh look at Bitcoin, and we're gonna take a fresh look at a couple meme coins. The meme coins, what we're gonna talk about, the one it's Wally, the crocodile. The other one it's Hoppy. We're gonna take a look at a couple other ones. I think we're gonna discuss three or four or five meme coins in the end. Just guys, I wanted today dive a little bit deeper inside the Bitcoin because the Bitcoin price it's dipping a little bit, have a little pullback. So I want to make sure that we are at the right side of the market, and I want to just see the weekly chart and the daily chart and the 4 hour chart. I think that's the most three importance to see what Bitcoin will do, guys. And sorry for yesterday, guys. I was not able to make an episode because I was really with throat pain. Thank God today it's better. So let's begin, guys. Let's start with the bubbles. The bubbles, guys, I want to show you something. It looks like the people think that the market it's falling, that the hell it's broken out, guys. But actually, it doesn't look so bad. Like the daily, it's up. The weekly, if I look, almost everything it's up. The monthly, almost everything it's up, guys. So we are still in the bull market, guys. We are still in a good moment of the market, the good moment of the year, and I think we're gonna have great prices. Just of course, we need from time to time be very curious about the price of Bitcoin because Bitcoin is important for the rest, guys. So, guys, let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin today it's doing at 93k, guys. It's at 93k, and I want to show you one thing, guys. I take a sip of the coffee. Look, guys, we were rejected at the 99,700, almost the 100k we rejected and we went down. It was really 50-50 in my opinion that if we broke the 100k and we went higher or not and we pulled back and the bears take over at the 100k and we go down. And that's what happened, guys. And I saw it already happening 2 days ago in the evening. I saw it already have when we was at like 96k, 95k. I saw already that the chart was like the chart how it went. It was broken, guys, because like you see this line, it holds in the daily. But at the moment of 2 days ago in the evening, it broke and it closed under it even. So that's a bad sign, guys. Normally, that means that we go lower. And other thing, guys, in my MRI, let's start just with the weekly. I think that's more a zoom out. Then we can see how the market is from a little zoom out, guys. I think that's important. The weekly, guys, the last week I got in my indicator a MRI sell. What means an MRI sell for me, guys? An MRI sell on the weekly normally means that you get a correction, that you get a correction of 1 to 4 candles. So in the weekly chart, that's 1 to 4 candles in the weekly chart. So that's a 3 or 4 weeks, a sideways or a pullback. So that's important. And guys, the chance at this moment, because as trader, guys, you need to see the price how it is from day to day. You can maybe yesterday have an opinion that you think the 100k will be broken. Today you can change your opinion. That's what a trader does when the market's price is changing. That's a good trader, and you never know which side the market will go. You have a probability. Always, you have a probability, but the probability is always also in the other side that it can happen that it doesn't go to your way. And then, guys, you need to participate very fast. You need to take very fast action. And what it shows, guys, in the weekly that maybe we can have a three. Normally, in a cell, MRI cell, you get a 3 to 4 weeks pullback. Like you see, for example, the last weekly MRI, it was here at 73k. We went down to 56K. How many percent is that, guys? That's a 27%. Let's say from the top, 27% will be what price? Will be at 72K. So actually, there is a probability that we can hit the 72K or around the 72, 72. Just guys, and the moment of the market, I don't really expect this. Like it's a chance of 30% that we get a pullback. 30, 40%, let's say, that we get a 3 or 4 week pullback. Just at the time of the month, it will like it's really like if it was a normal period, I will think it will really go to the 70K in a time period of a time wise period, 3 or 4 weeks, because trading is not only guessing the price, indicating the price, it's also timely. So the MRI what I use, guys, it shows the time wise way how much a price can go up and go down in a period. Because of course you can say the price go to 120K, for example, but the when it can happen. Of course, it will happen once, but when it happens, that's the important that you can give a time perspective of when some price gonna hit in a time in a period of time, because that's like I think very important to do and to know, because otherwise it's just guessing, guys. If you don't have a time wise period when you can guess the prices, when you can have an indication, I think then it's just guessing. So guys, what this shows that it can be a dip until almost the Christmas in the weekly charts, in my indicator of the MRI. Just it can also happen that it doesn't happen, because I'm gonna show you one thing, guys. At the 4 hour, guys, I get an MRI buy for eight. Let's see when it was. For 16 hours ago from this moment. From the moment that I make the video, 16 hours ago, we got an MRI buy here. MRI buy means normally that we go up again. It can be in a downwards momentum, it can be a 1 to 4 candles up. But in a bullish formation where we are now, it can be that this is the point that we're gonna go try to break the 100K again. Critical points, guys. Critical points, it's breaking the 94K 500. That's a point. Let's say the 94K 500. That's a point that we should break and close above on the 4 hour with the body candle. If that happens, guys, we can go and reach the 98K, 98 and a half. If we break the 98 and a half, guys, the chance this time it's very big that we're gonna break the 100K. Because 100K, you should now see it as the end boss, what we have now at this time of period. So it's a very critical moment. If this guys get rejected, the 94K, then I give it a 70% or 75%, guys, that we can go to try to retest the 86K, 85K, or even a bit lower. Just we have a one support more, guys, and the support what we have, it's at 91K. Guys, if we hold like 91K, what we actually did already, that's good. But the second time that we come on the 91K, I think we will not hold this. I think the chance is big that the 91K will be broken and we're going to see lower prices with Bitcoin. And the lower prices, guys, it can be around 83K, 84K, or even a little bit lower. Maybe at the 70Ks, maybe 78K, 77K, around those prices. It's possible. Like I told you in the weekly, it can even go to 72K. I don't see the price in the time of the year going lower than 72K. I give it a chance that maybe time wise until the Christmas, maybe it's around 80K if we don't go up from here. Like I'm now talking about the bearish scenario. It can be that around Christmas we are at 80K, around 78K, 77K, 80K, around that price. And then, guys, I think a lot of people will buy again. And I think from that moment, it will go up again and we will break the 100K this year. I think this year, before the new year, before the 2025, we will break the 100K. Even if we go until 72, 72, or sub 70. So I hope that makes sense, guys. The way how I explained it, what the scenarios are at this moment, because the scenario definitely changed that we went that we went down from the that we are rejected very hard from the 99K. So I hope that is clear. Let's also take a little look at the 1 day. Like the 1 day, guys, it should, if we go up from here and we want to retest the 100K, it should go up from here. It should go up from this point, and we go retest the 99K again, and hopefully break it this time, guys. So I think this is enough for the Bitcoin. Like you also see, guys, the MACD on the daily, it's crossed again to the downward side, so we can really expect some downwards movements, guys, the upcoming 2 or 3 weeks. It's a scenario, it's really a probability, let's say even a higher probability than that we go from here up again. I think the probability, it's 65% that we go test lower prices, and 35% that we go up from here. Let's see the 4 days. Yeah, the 4 days is not broken yet. That's good. The 4 hours. Yeah, like the 4 hours, it shows the opposite of the daily. The 4 hours, it shows that we're gonna cross the green line, gonna cross the red line in the MACD, and that we can see the bull's gonna try anyway. The bull's gonna try to make a higher price now at the moment. Just the question is, will it be rejected at around 94,500, or will we break 94,500 and see the bulls trying to break the 99K? I think this is a bit the price, what the things what we should look at, what I spoke. Um, so let's see, guys. Hopefully Bitcoin goes up from here, because that's really what I want. That's good for the market. That's good. Just like, guys, this weekly MRI, it makes me a little worry, guys. It makes me a little worry. The weekly MRI, I take it very serious, guys. The weekly MRI, normally it's really a good indication to a 3 or 4 weeks pullback. It's not 100% guarantee, guys. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. Just I say the probability is quite big now. So we need to keep an eye on it. Okay, guys, enough about Bitcoin. I want to discuss the next coin. What I want to discuss, guys, it's Hoppy. I want to discuss Hoppy. Guys, what our favorite frog Hoppy it's doing? Because Hoppy 2 days ago, it went to this point at the two zeros, 0.302. And it was rejected at that point again, guys. And let's see, guys, what the daily shows me. It looks quite good for me, because one thing we should look very near this point. You see these red points? That's a big support. What should hold with the body, guys? I say it very clear, with the body. A wick for me tells nothing. A wick is some move of extreme weather inside a chart. The majority of the players, guys, it's you can see it, you can read it in the body. Like you see, we had twice a week under this point, under the 3014. Two times, guys. But it was a wick. The end of the candle, the body. So when this candle, daily candle finished, we were above this line. So that's a good indication. Guys, the MACD, it shows that we want to go up. The only thing what makes me a little bit concerned on the daily, guys, it's the CMF. The CMF should go a little bit more up because the CMF is the cash money flow. Is the money what come inside a project, and that should be quite good. Like the liquidation, guys, for Hoppy, it's around 2.6 million. That means like you can maximum sell 2.6 million dollar of worth of Hoppy. That the market doesn't go crash and you don't get a very big slippage. Like with crash, I mean that it's really go heavy down. And actually, the liquidity price of Hopi, it's 2.6 million at the moment, and I think that's a quite good liquidity. So that's also healthy because there is almost no wallets of Hopi beside of course the exchange wallets. But exchange wallets are many people, what's many investors, there are many wallets inside that. So that is not one person. But the big wallets, it's around all around like 1 million. So that's when the liquidation is 2.6 million and the wallets of the big holders are 1 million. That means it's healthy because that means that no wallet can really crash the price, that the price will so much be crashed that there will be panic. So that's a good thing for Hoppy, guys. And beside that, guys, I think Hoppy will make a pump sooner or later, guys, because I think this project it's really not finished. I think this project is just 8 months old because Hoppy it's 8 months old, guys. It's a coin of 8 months, almost 9 months now. So, and what I also saw, guys, what I also discussed before, the main wallets, the big wallets, they are not really selling. They are holding. So that means that's very good. Like logically thinking, guys, big wallets normally have connections with the team. Otherwise, you don't gonna put a million or more than a million as an investor in a project if you don't have near contacts. So you expect something, guys. You expect something from this coin, and you have a plan from this coin. So that's all together. My conclusion is all this together that Hopi, it's nothing to worry about. I don't gonna sell my Hopi. I already told you guys. I think Hopi will make a lot bigger prices. I'm not worried, guys. When the price, I see people panicking. When now the prices go 50% down or 100% down from some coins. I saw people really panicking, guys. I had this in a couple cycles before. My coins were 300% down, sometimes 400% down. And I thought, why? Why this happened so much? I thought, okay, this is the end. I lost all my money. Just I never sold, guys. I always kept my bags. And these coins, guys, in the bull and the moment of the top, guys, all this project went 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 40 times up. Does it matter that your portfolio go 3 times down? I think it doesn't. When in the top of the market, your price will go 20 or 30 times up. I think it really doesn't matter. Like a perfect moment to buy, it doesn't exist, guys. It's just luck. You need to have a plan. You need to buy in steps. Nobody can buy always on the perfect moment. You will always buy a coin in a moment that the coin go more down. But the most important is that when it goes down, you just actually hold. That's my way of thinking of the market. I hope that make some sense for you guys also, because the market, like, you can never 100% know what the market will do. It can always go up and down. Just when you go a little bit down, expect that the coins also will go a lot up in the future. But the weak hands cannot handle that. And I think if you cannot handle in the crypto market 2 or 3 times down your portfolio and you cannot sleep good anymore. I think maybe you are just not made for this market, guys, because this market it works like this. There is a lot of liquidity. There is a lot of ups and downs, and you should be your stress level need to handle this kind of stress, guys, because it's also not good to be so stressed for your portfolio. You will get sick. You will get stressed. What's even worse, like in the first of life, it's you need to be healthy, and then comes the wealth, guys, and then comes the rest. So I just wanna tell this to all the people that watching this, guys. A perfect moment to buy it doesn't exist. Don't be too nervous. Don't be too stressed. The good times will come. The good times, I really think it will come, and it will come sooner than we think, guys. I'm not scared when I see my portfolio it's going up 2 or 3 times. It's fine because I know the 10 times and the 20 times it will come also, guys. Okay, guys, enough about Hoppy. So I think Hoppy will go up from here, guys. Just a critical point, what we should not break is this point. If we break this point, the move up, it will come, but it will come in a later stage. So as long we hold this, it can really come soon, a big move up. So let's see, guys. The next coin, what I want to discuss with you guys, it's Peanut. Why I want to discuss Peanut, guys? Because Peanut, it's at a daily buy yesterday. I think, guys, this Peanut, it can soon make the move up again. And that the move up again come for Peanut, for me, it's the probability of 99% that that will happen. Peanut is not finished yet, guys. This Peanut have a big plan in the market. This Peanut is just pumped and it's dumped. But the pump comes again with Peanut, guys. This is not a coin that tomorrow will be delisted from Binance. This is a coin with the big future. This is a coin for me that can be 10 or 20 or $30 in the peak. And that's 20, 30 times from the price of now, guys. Of course, it can go a little bit lower. It can. The possibility is there. It went a lot up, guys. Just, I think personally, the chance is also very big that the $1 was the point, was the dip to buy, and that it go up from here. I say this really, I give it a really a big probability, guys. So the daily MRI buy, that's a good indication. Let's go to the 4 hour because then we can see it a little bit better. The CMF, the cash money flow, is going up. That's good. Let's see the MACD. The MACD is almost crossing up again. Like if we put a residence line from this point to this point. So the breakout, guys, if we have a close above around this moment or above a 125, one close. If we have one close above this, guys, I see the price going up again. And then the next resistance is at the 178 at this green line. And if we break the 178, guys, I think we're gonna see. I think we're gonna break the all-time high again very soon, the $250. So for me, guys, Peanut, it looks good. It's nothing to worry about. I hold my back strong for Peanut because, guys, I know Peanut will bring a lot nice things for us, guys. Let's go to the next coin, guys. The next coin is Wally, what we spoke about the last time. The last time when we spoke about Wally, guys, it was around this point, what I the 186. And I told you guys, Wally, it's a good project. Just at that moment, I told you guys, it's not the moment to buy Wally. Because it was just too high. It was too overbought at the moment. But I told you guys, I will start to buy from this point, from the 301. And I will buy more until it go down. I have 4 steps for this. I will buy here. So I buy it already there. The next step for me, it's buying around this price where we are now. And I think the 3050 was a good point also to buy. Maybe this is the dip, guys. Maybe this was the low, because how I think it was the low, it went very fast from the 305 up, and we are already like a 40% up from that point. Yeah, a 40% exactly. So guys, I think this Wally soon will pump again. I think Wally is a good project. I think it's a decent project. I think Wally from this point can easy go again to retest the all-time high and break it the next time. The next support us it's here at 202. So 0.002. That's the next big support. So yeah, it looks really good in my view, guys. Five, and you saw it here. The MRI buy was exactly at this point, and from that point we go up. So what we should do now, guys, we should break this moving averages. So we should really break this 3091. Let's say 309. When we break this 309 and we have a 1 hourly close above it, then the next support comes at 30138. Let's say 3014 at this point. 2014, sorry guys, at this point. And from that point, guys, we can really retest again very fast the all-time highs. I think this coin will pump soon, guys. I think it's a good coin. I am now putting my bags a little bit bigger in this project, and let's see how far it comes, guys. If it dips lower, I will buy with pleasure a little bit more. So guys, I think was enough for today. I think it's a good moment to finish the episode, guys. I hope you guys can handle the stress of the last couple of days, guys, when the prices went a little bit down. Of some meme coins, it went even a lot more down the last weeks. But just, guys, I want to really tell what I told before. It is not financial advice, but just as my 11 years experience in the trading, I think you should not be too worried when the prices go down, and more in the meme coins, guys. The meme coins, it's a market you can make a lot of money. Just you need to have strong hands. In the meme coins, you will never survive when you have shaky hands, guys, because the meme coins, it will go so much up and down, and you will get very stressed from time to time. You should see it like a little bit more in the long term, guys. I think in the long term, if you see the view, if you zoom a little bit out and you see, for example, what happened in a month with one coin, how much it went up, how much it went down, guys, that will also happen the upcoming month and the upcoming and the month after. And I think the upcoming 3, 4, 5 months, I think it will be a perfect moment to have some big tops in the most coins. So I think just we are in a time that holding and buying more, it's a good moment to do, guys. And of course, nothing is financial advice, guys. Just always do your own homework. Always investigate good. Always know what you're doing, and defend and protect your bags, guys. Because I think these bags will be a lot bigger in a couple months' time. So, guys, I wish you all a fantastic day wherever you are in this world. Be happy, don't be stressed. We are one family in this channel. I hope you liked the episode. If you liked it, please put a like. I appreciate it. It's always good for the channel, guys. I hope I see you all tomorrow in the next episode, guys. Have a fantastic day, Crypto Milad. Ciao, guys.